The year 2025 proved to be a shining year for precious metals, with gold and silver witnessing significant price gains. Both the metals drew huge investor interest, and experts say the trend is likely to continue in 2026. Let's take a closer look at how these gains unfolded in the bullion market.
The year 2025 was a shining year for precious metals like gold and silver, with both commodities witnessing significant price appreciation. At the beginning of the year, gold prices were at around 71,500 rupees per 10 grams, which soared to 1,39,000 rupees per 10 grams on the last Monday of 2025, registering an increase of almost 80%. In the same period, silver witnessed a significant appreciation of over 150% and crossed 2,32,000 rupees per kilogram from 90,500 rupees per kg at the beginning of the year.
It has been a phenomenal year for commodities, especially the hard metals. Energies have been all over the place. It has been, in fact, down. So basically, the whole thing about, I would say, the de-dollarization as well as the huge industrialization, that is what is leading to this surge in hard metal prices from base metals to ferrous to precious metals. And as far as the outlook is concerned for 2026, we expect this trend to continue. Like gold has already delivered somewhere like a 65 to 70% kind of a return. Silver has been a phenomenal blockbuster. It has delivered, I think, 130 or 140% odd return, and the year is not over yet. So we expect this trend to continue.
Traditionally, huge amounts of gold and silver are traded for making jewelry in the Indian market, but high returns in both commodities attracted huge number of investors in the bullion market. It has become a top choice for long-term investment due to its ability to provide both security and reasonable returns for investors. During the year, bullion market witnessed an unusual trend where silver outshined gold owing to its demand from various sectors, and the trend is expected to continue.
What's happening in the silver market is that close to two-thirds of the demand comes from the industrial sector, and the market has been in deficit for 5 long years. It is expected that the deficit will continue in the coming years as well, and they are the industries like the electrical vehicles, electronics, solar panels. All these are future industries, and say they would require significant amount of silver because silver is irreplaceable in those cases because of the high conductivity. So because of which we can continue to see the Asian industrial giants, they continue to acquire the silver from the market. So there is a physical squeeze which is underway, and that can propel prices towards $100 an ounce. If that happens, we could see a 30-40% price jump even in the domestic market in 2026.
Experts believe both metals are expected to witness further price appreciation in 2026 as there are no signs of meltdown in ongoing geopolitical tensions and uncertainty over the global economy due to US tariff hikes in the near future. Another important factor that led to the price rise in gold and silver is the frequent rate cuts by the US Federal Reserve in the year 2025, which eventually supported non-yielding assets like these metals. In addition, according to experts, demand expansion in the emerging market will also support the surge in prices of gold and silver in the coming year.